In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Binance virtual card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Acquiring and using a Binance card is extremely simple. You will be able to acquire a Binance card as long as you registered for a Binance account and you completed your identity verification. It is very important that your identity is properly verified through Binance, otherwise you will not be able to get a Binance card. Once you are properly set up, ready to go, from your security tab, the first thing that you have to check is to make sure that you have a phone number attached to your account. So go over to the security settings on your account after you've signed in and double check to see if the phone number verification step is done. Everything else is optional, but I highly recommend that you take your time to improve the security of your Binance account. But as long as you have the phone number verification done, that will be enough. With phone verification done, all that you have to do to actually order the Binance card is to use the option at the top, hovering over Finance, and then select Binance Visa Card. You will be redirected to a page where you can set up your card, order it, and once it arrives, you can activate it through the same page. In there, you will have all the details about your Binance card. To actually use it, you have to top up the card. So tap Top Up in there, and you will be able to load it up with funds with any of the payment methods available in your region. As long as you have it topped up with enough balance, you will be able to view the details about the card at any time on that page. So as you can see on the right side of the screen, you can tap the Show Details or Hide Details option to show or hide the details accordingly. This will give you the card number, expiration date, and security code, which, as you might expect, is what you need to make purchases online or add the card to a digital wallet of your choice, for example, the Google Wallet or the Apple Wallet. By adding the card to a digital wallet with the details that you can find on the card page, you will be able to make contactless payments using those digital wallets. But as long as you top up the card and see the details through this page, you can start using your Binance virtual card as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Binance virtual card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.